On April 5th, the ninth grade was en route to the Cape Eleuthera Institute Island School in the Bahamas. Over 5 days, we lived the Island School's teaching philosophy, where less is more, students are active participants in the learning, and challenge begets positive growth. Overall, we were able to experience the application of academic work we've been doing in the classrooms and participate in marine research that the Island School is developing in coral restoration.
My definite favorite ones was when they were snorkeling, they were fragging them, and they allowed like me and also Drew to take them to the boat, which was really cool because we got to dive down and see them like literally were a foot away from me. They were fragging it, the process going on in front of us.
At the Institute, they use their wet lab to actually simulate the conditions in which the coral would produce a larvae, and they also built these contraptions that will actually capture the larvae so that they can then put it into a different container that the larvae will attach to, and it will actually grow.
What happens in the end when you do try it?
I want to do it again.
There's no going back with it. It was like you do it and you have to finish or else you're not coming back. It's like you're gonna climb the wall, you're gonna jump off the cliff, you're gonna keep swimming, you're gonna keep running or else you don't make it to the end.
Right, and we all did.
Everything that we do affects the planet, and it really was an eye-opener to see how much I could affect the world.
From snorkeling with the scuba research divers over the coral reefs to the challenging run swim, our students showcased a level of connection and purpose that will hopefully stay with them for years to come.